Allow me to share with you my devotional journey po simula ng start of this year. I was able to ponder po about God's creation and His nature. Through that reminder po, di ba one of the famous verses in relation sa God's creation is Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. So I was able to ponder po of how God is very intentional with His relationship to us, His creation. So when we pause and look at creation, we see God's power and goodness, and we are reminded that He is the source of all things. Just like how it is connected po sa ating topic today, the secret of fruitfulness. God is our source. He is the source of everything. We can see God's power and goodness in His creation. We are reminded that He sustains us, and He is also the one who sustains our lives. Amen? Siya po yung, meron pong verse na siya po ang nagpapanatili ng lahat ng bagay, at dahil sa Kanya ang lahat ay nananatili po. So, in connection po with our giving today is our response to the truth that when we give our tithes and offerings, we acknowledge that everything we have comes from God and that He alone is our provider.